Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix limit chat in Messenger. So if you're currently limited chat on your Messenger right now and you cannot send any more messages basically, and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what you're going to do first is to just exit your Messenger app. So just close your Messenger app and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app. And now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says general. And that is exactly where you need to click. So click on general and you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit again and click on storage in here. And by the way, unfortunately, this might take a couple of seconds for some of you to actually load this page right here. And the reason why it takes a couple of seconds is because if you, for example, use a lot of memory on your phone, well, that is why basically, because it's going to load all the apps that you currently have on your phone. Now we're just going to scroll down and then we're going to find the Messenger app in here. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down. I think it should be somewhere down here. And perfect, as you can see, here's the Messenger app. So click on the Messenger app, then click on Offload app, and then once again, click on Offload app, as you can see. And it's just going to take a couple of seconds to load. So we're going to wait a couple of seconds. Then you're going to click on the blue button here once again. Because now what will happen is that you will auto update your Messenger app to the newest version. And that will also reset your chat limit. So now after you have actually waited until this has basically loaded completely right here, as you can see, then you can go back into your Messenger app, and I hope that it will now fix this problem for you.